Here's another tip for you people out there. Okay, when you go to notch a piece of material or halve it, whichever way you want to call it, conventional way is you make your marks, you get your skill saw, constantly run it through, and then get your hammer, smash it all back, and then start chiseling the heck out of it. To avoid all that mess, here's a simple method. Get your piece of timber, mark the required length. I've marked it at 280, which is my required length. My notch or my halve is going to be 140, which I've marked out here. Halve the material. So I want a 45 half, like so. And a 45 here. First cut, as per usual, speed square. Make sure your circle depth is set. Speed square, make the first line on your bottom. Now normally from here everyone will hold the speed square and keep dragging it across and across and across. Avoid all that confusion and all that mess. Follow the line here. Simple, you get your speed square, make a cut. Flip him over, do the same on the other side. Bring him up, get your hammer. There we go. One halved material. All you do, get your chisel, notch that out. Simple as that. Hope that one helps too. Here's another tip for you people out there. Okay, when you go to notch a piece of material or halve it, whichever way you want to call it, conventional way is you make your marks, you get your skill saw, constantly run it through,